Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to mirror an image on Canva. So for us to be able to do so, you need to add in a photo first or the photo reference here onto our editing page. So let's try to add in a photo from the elements in here since there are a lot of stock photos that are offered here on Canva. So let's try to search for something such as dogs and click onto photos. So we have this specific photo in here. Let's add that one here. And then let's copy this one out and then paste it again. So let's add this one here on top and also onto the bottom so that you could see it clearly how you could mirror this. So as you can see, we're going to click onto the bottom photo and then right after there is an option to flip. If you click onto flip, there are option to flip it vertically. So as you can see, it did mirror the photo vertically, and then let's undo it. And then let's do it side by side. And if you click on to flip again, there is another option to flip it horizontally and it will mirror the photo as well. And that is just basically it, how you mirror an image on Canva. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.